Can instant manifestation really happen? It's a question everyone seems to ask, and it's natural to crave swift results. Many of us want our dreams to appear right now: a surprise windfall, the sudden arrival of a soulmate, the perfect opportunity falling into place. No one says, "I'm happy to wait patiently for years and see if it works out." We long for change without delay. So, is instant manifestation truly attainable? Yes, absolutely. But to understand how it happens, we need to explore the elements that influence the speed of manifestation. 1. Worthiness and belief. For anyone practicing the law of attraction, a key factor is believing you are worthy of receiving what you desire. Effective manifestation demands a mindset that transcends the physical, three-dimensional world. You must break free from everyday limitations and embrace a way of thinking that imagines possibilities beyond ordinary perception. This mental shift is powerful enough to reshape reality itself. Consider someone who desperately wants a luxury sports car. If they're locked in a mindset of scarcity, "I could never afford that," those beliefs limit their ability to attract it. The obstacle isn't just money. It's the self-image that says, "I'm not the kind of person who owns something like that." 2. The role of environment and identity. Now picture someone surrounded by wealth, abundance, and success. When asked if they can attain the same car, their immediate, confident answer is yes. Their environment and self-belief reinforce that outcome. By contrast, people who struggle to manifest often face inner barriers. Maybe they don't truly want the goal, or their belief system insists they're incapable of achieving it. External reality and mindset combine to declare the desire unattainable. 3. Elevating energy above the 3D world. When I work with energy to manifest something in my life, I first elevate my own energy and build a strong mental foundation. In the three-dimensional world, this shift isn't bound by linear time. It can happen in an instant. Once belief becomes firm, the law of attraction operates without bias. It doesn't care about your personality, background, or current circumstances. It simply aligns with the clarity and intensity of your conviction. By strengthening your inner self and nurturing beliefs that match your highest potential, the law of attraction harmonizes with you. When your conviction is solid, the energy you project guides the manifestation process, turning desire into reality. The stronger your belief, the more effortlessly that energy flows. Attracting what you want can be far simpler than it first appears, and surprisingly easy to put into practice. The real challenge for most people is fear, an energy that traps them in a comfort zone of limitations. Ironically, they feel safe inside this space, even though it restricts their potential. As mentioned earlier, a fear-based mindset becomes the reality they manifest. They stay stuck, often without realizing they're living inside a confined energetic framework. These limiting beliefs shape their entire life, making it difficult to connect with themselves, with others, with the universe, or even with a higher power. If you want to see your desires manifest, you must be fully conscious of the process and build a strong inner belief system. Watching YouTube videos can provide valuable insights, but simply consuming information without truly absorbing it or practicing consistently is like skipping regular exercise and expecting to stay fit. Over time, without sustained dedication, your belief system weakens, your focus slips, and your ability to manifest fades. Belief and emotion are powerful forces that shape our reality. On this path, consistency is key. Keep learning from those who have already succeeded, and don't let setbacks derail you. When you deeply internalize the principles, you reach a level of mastery where you can transform thoughts into reality almost effortlessly, manifesting with ease and confidence. Of course, the first step is making sure the desire is something you genuinely want. You must fully believe in it. A clear sign you're aligned with your desire is when the things you read, the thoughts you think, and the events around you start reflecting aspects of what you're wishing for. Once you reach that point, direct your complete focus to any task or practice that supports your goal, whether it's meaningful work, a specific ritual, or meditation to strengthen belief. Approach it with total commitment. See yourself as capable and well-prepared, continuously refining your abilities through steady, balanced effort each day. This journey isn't about wishing without action, nor about tireless action without a clear vision. It's about moving forward in a harmonious, intentional way where your actions and vision align perfectly, creating a clear path and purposeful progress towards your goals. That brings us to patience, a virtue we often overlook. Trusting in the power of patience is essential. There will be times when we ask for something, work toward it, and desire it intensely, yet the universe may be preparing to bless us with something even greater than we imagined. Holding this perspective keeps us from growing impatient or discouraged when results don't appear right away. Instead, we move forward with calm confidence. When those gifts finally arrive, it's crucial to remain humble and grounded, never forgetting to practice gratitude. For those who truly embrace gratitude, the freedom and lightness that accompany fulfilled desires are incomparable. Paradoxically, the more patient we are, the more effortlessly our desires manifest. When we grow impatient and try to rush the process, eagerly pushing for quick results, it often backfires and delays our dreams even further. Patience, combined with gratitude, creates the ideal flow for manifestation, allowing everything to unfold naturally and in its own time. Therefore, we must nurture perseverance and patient effort, leaving no space for laziness. In many ways, this journey resembles making an investment. The patience and belief we cultivate early on lay the foundation that, over time, lifts us to a place where our desires manifest with ease. Through consistent dedication, we pave the way for a smoother process, making it far easier to turn dreams into reality. Loved these insights? Watch next. Warning: after this video, they'll chase you like never before, linked on screen and below. Want the full toolkit, early access videos, bonus audios, printable scripts? Join our member circle for just 99 cents. Link in the description. See you inside.